Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Yeah, I know, I've just said this in a video I filmed a moment ago. I know, it's short. I missed it already. But man, we've got something special for you today. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now let's just get the elephant in the room out of the way real quick. The wife pretty much told me, make it go away, so it had to go away. Because, well, I like wife cardio, and we made a compromise, and I got to keep some of it. But that being said, we have something on the channel today that we haven't had before. Well, we've had beard butter, but we haven't had anything from Detroit Grooming Company, their Traverse City beard butter. Now, I got a lot of information about this company to get to you guys. I found them by watching another YouTuber's video, and I thought, hey, that looks kind of interesting. Saw it on Amazon, and I went, that's not a bad price. Pulled the trigger, and I have enjoyed it ever since. I mean, you can see I have been using it for a while now. It still smells amazing, and I love it to death. Now, Detroit Grooming, basically, you can find them at www.detroitgrooming.com. They are made in the USA out of basically Ferndale, Michigan. That's where they say they have their storefront. So that's where I'm saying they're kind of based out of. Even though I know they say Detroit. Who knows? Maybe that's where the manufacturing's done. And maybe Ferndale is where they sell everything. So they are basically a product line that is for the man of the times. And I love how they put this anytime. Because, man, they sell everything from butters, balms, oils, straight razors, shampoo. They sell a whole bunch of stuff on their site, and I think it's just absolutely amazing how they're bringing quality products out there at a very, very affordable price. Now, what I love is they started in November 2013 basically as an idea on somebody's front porch. Well, that would be Mike, you know, their founder. He basically remembered that line of, if you love what you do, you'll never work a day again in the rest of your life. Well, he asked his good friend Sean to join him on this ride, and man, they started Detroit Grooming Company. Now, in 2014, they spent a lot of time in research and development finding the right notes. And when they struck it, they started to manufacture stuff and get it out to people. And man, it started grassroots and started to really take off. And man, they've survived an almost bankruptcy. They've almost survived being wiped out. They have frickin' made the American dream, and they are following it and kick ass for you guys. Frickin' love it. You got a customer for life. I'm already ordering more butters and other stuff because I'm very impressed with what your company's done. Now, I like when companies put this on their sites because it gives me a little bit more of an insight into them. Their core values are compassion, collaboration, innovation, passion, and dedication. And their core focus is to create a globally recognized brand of products that provide great experiences. I already love this thing. I saw it on a YouTube video, went, okay, he seems pretty hyped. I got it. I'm making this video because of this. So yeah, you guys, customer for life. I love this stuff. Now, bunch of info, and we're going to get to this in a moment. All right. Basically, they're named after the Grand, well, I should say this is named after the Grand Traverse Bay. Traverse City has a history steeped in French and Native American influence. Indian hunters and French traders were the first people to settle in that area, and basically they gave it the name of Le Grand Traverse. I don't speak French, and I hope I really didn't butcher that too bad, because of the very long crossing that they had to do by canoe at the mouth of the bay. Nowadays, Traverse City is known for basically the largest producer of tart cherries in the United States and holds its annual cherry festival that attracts 500,000 viewers annually. I didn't know that many people were that into cherries, but damn, that's kind of awesome. Now I know you're sitting and going, hey, what's the scent? Well, like it says right there, cherry tobacco. Man, it smells amazing. It really does. Now, you can find this in two, well, I should say, tub sizes. 2 ounce and 4 ounce. The 2 ounce is $15.95, and the 4 ounce is $24.95. All right, now for today, we're going to do something a little different. All right, normally I have the cuteness factor or the brat come on, take a sniff, and tell you exactly how they feel. But this one's a little different. So let's welcome the monkey. Say hi, Caden.
Hi.
Oh, I thought you were going to go, hi, Caden. Guys, that's right. The monkey's first time doing something with beard products, and he's been begging me to do this one for a little while, or at least get in a different one. So I figure it's about time we get you in one, right?
Yep.
All right, now just like I do with the other knuckleheads, you take a sniff, tell me what you think and what it makes you think of. Now, how's it smell?
I really could smell the cherry.
Okay, well, look at them. Look at them.
I really could smell the cherry, and it actually smells pretty good.
Could you smell any of the tobacco? Take a
There's
sniff.
tobacco? No.
Okay. So does it smell good to you?
Yes.
Was it something you might wear later on when you get a little manly mane going on?
Yep.
All right, cool. Hey, say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
Alright,
Watch
yeah.
more of his channel.
Yeah, exactly what the boy said. All right, now I know you guys are really, really curious about the ingredients. Well, I kind of was too, but we have a slight problem. All right, I ordered this one off of Amazon, and that sticker right there covered every ingredient. Now, when I went to Tctbnl to do my homework, they didn't list the ingredients at all. All they said was they use organic and 100% natural stuff. So, okay, I get it. Now, for beard butter, it's basically a great supplement for your beard, and it gives you a light to medium hold. It's essentially an easier beard balm. That's about the only way I can put it. Beard balms will really get in there and lock it in place. Butters are going to give you that sense when you well, I'll get to that in a moment. When you work it in, it gives you a hold, makes it smell great. And it basically, for me, has been like a nighttime thing. Before I go to bed, I'll put in butter, let it sit for a little bit, and go to sleep. Now, when you apply it, butters are kind of just like bombs. Get in there, get your thumb around, get whatever amount you need out. I usually put it right here, and I emulsify it, which means you take it from that solid form, break it down to a liquid, get it all through your hands, work it into your beard, and just comb it through. You know, comb, brush, whatever you got to do. Get your styling on. But yeah, it's simple. It's real simple. It's real easy. And now the best part. I want to know what you guys think. Man, questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I want to know what you guys think. I want to know if you've used Detroit Grooming before. I want to know your experiences. What are your favorite go-to beard butters? You know, let's get a discussion going, help other beardsmen out there. Because trust me, I feel like a baby beard again. And I don't like it. I hate it. But I'll get over it. Okay. So, let's do the usual wrap-up, okay? For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I know there's about hundreds of millions of billions of videos out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful you chose one of mine. I know your time's a very precious commodity, and I'm very grateful you gave me some of it. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers, man, look down below. I believe it's going to be right over there. There's going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock that out the way. It's going to make me feel really, really fuzzy inside. I can guarantee you that. Also, after you've beat up the subscribe button, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to inform you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Detroit Grooming Company's Traverse City Beard Butter. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a good one today.